The satisfaction of having a product delivered to your house in like 2 days is really something else. Now, as an Amazon provider, you want to provide the same level of service to your customers. That 2-day shipping is accomplished because of Amazon FBA, and in this video, I'm going to explain how it all works. Then, you can decide whether or not it's right for your business model. So let's get into it. In short, FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. So this means you'll send your product to an Amazon fulfillment center, and then when a customer makes a purchase, they pick, package, and send your product to that customer. Amazon also provides customer service and processes returns for those orders. So basically, you're outsourcing all your fulfillment to Amazon for a fee. Okay, so now let's look at the benefits. The first obvious benefit is Prime. Like I mentioned at the start of this video, you know how nice it is to get that 2-day Prime shipping. And honestly, you'd probably hesitate to buy a product if it didn't offer Prime shipping. By doing FBA, your products will qualify for Prime shipping, free shipping, and more. Your product listing will also be displayed with the Prime logo. And again, this just lets people know that Amazon will be handling the packaging, shipping, customer service, and returns with all of these products. It gives customers peace of mind and can actually really influence whether somebody buys your product or not. Many people actually filter out products that don't offer Prime, unless it was a really specialty product that they were really set on buying and were gonna get regardless. The second major benefit is the customer service and returns. Amazon has a major customer service network around the globe. They manage all customer inquiries, refunds, and returns on your FBA items. Customer service will be available 24/7, and this comes at no extra cost to you so that you can focus on other areas of your business. They'll handle everything customer service related to the fulfillment of your FBA products. They're helping customers with any issues, and they're directing them on how to make a return if they need to return a product. Again, this is huge because customer service is not a fun thing to deal with when you're running your business. So it's really nice that Amazon takes this on, and then again, you're focusing on other areas of your business. The third benefit is going to be incentives. Amazon has various incentives that is going to allow your business to scale quickly and efficiently. Basically, these services help you to scale without adding any additional resources or staff to grow. So first, there's FBA Small and Light. There's a reduced cost for fulfilling orders that are small, lightweight, and low cost. There's also FBA Subscribe and Save. You're able to offer discounts on eligible FBA products for repeat customers. Then there's FBA Pan EU. This means that you can offer fast delivery in Prime eligible European countries. Next is FBA Export. At no extra charge, you can expand your Amazon FBA business to over 100 countries, minus the complexities of selling internationally. Finally, there's multi-channel fulfillment. You can actually sell from your own or third-party websites, and Amazon will still do the picking, packing, and shipping of your products. The fourth benefit is that it's cost-effective. FBA operates on a pay-as-you-go format. Basically, you're charged for storage space and orders that Amazon fulfills. The cost of shipping is included in your fees, with no extra cost for Prime free 2-day shipping. So now you're convinced of the benefits. How do you get started with Amazon FBA? Step 1 is going to be to set up your FBA. You'll create your Amazon Seller Central account, and then you'll log into Seller Central to set up FBA. Step 2, create product listings. Once you add products to Amazon catalog, specify FBA inventory. Step 3, prepare the products. You're going to want to make sure that your products are safely and securely transported to an Amazon fulfillment center. Make sure you're within Amazon packing guidelines and shipping and routing requirements. Step 4, ship the product to Amazon. You'll create a shipping plan, print Amazon shipment ID labels, and then finally ship the products to the Amazon fulfillment center. Now, the last thing we're going to talk about are FBA storage and fulfillment fees. A lot of service is covered under that $39.99 a month that you pay, but not everything. There is inventory storage fees, which are charged for all your items within the fulfillment center. This is based on your daily average volume of inventory, and it's measured in cubic feet. Next is long-term storage fees, which is assessed monthly in every fulfillment center, and they're looking for products that have been there longer than 365 days. So if it is there longer, then you get charged a fee. Next, fulfillment fees. So this is charged on a per item basis, and this includes all the fees associated with picking, packing, shipping your product, as well as the customer service and potential returns. There is an FBA revenue calculator that you can calculate how much this is going to cost. There's also unplanned service fees, and this is charged when you send something to the fulfillment center and you didn't package or label something properly, so that Amazon has to do it. There's a removal order fee, and this is if Amazon has to dispose of one of your products for whatever reason, and it's on a per item basis. Finally, there's something called return processing fees. This is charged when Amazon provides a customer with free return shipping. Now, you won't have to pay all of these fees all at one time. They may come at different times, but just be aware of them so that when the time comes, you know what they are. The last thing I'll mention is the inventory performance dashboard within Seller Central. This is where you can manage excess inventory, track inventory age, fix stranded inventory, and restock inventory. If you'd like more information on inventory management, I've made a video about it, so I'll put a link in the description below and you can go check that out. Okay, conclusion time. So those are the basics of Amazon FBA. It's an amazing opportunity for businesses to outsource a lot of the workload to Amazon. It really saves you so much time and hassle so that you can focus on other areas of your business. Hopefully now you have a better idea of what FBA is and whether or not it's worthwhile for your business. If this video helped you out at all, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing, as it helps out the channel. We are putting out new Amazon videos every week, so subscribing ensures that you are in the know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.